Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to safely delete the Windows.old folder in Windows 11 or 10 to free up a good amount of disk space. This is especially useful after upgrading or reinstalling Windows. But keep in mind, this folder contains files that let you roll back to a previous version of Windows, so make sure you're ready before deleting it. Alright, let's get started. Right-click on the Start menu, then click on System. Now, inside the System settings, scroll down and click on Storage. Wait a few seconds while Windows analyzes your storage. It might take a moment for everything to load. Once it's done, click on Temporary Files. You'll see that it's scanning all temporary files. Let it complete the scan. After the scan finishes, look for previous Windows installations. This is basically the Windows.old folder, and as you can see, it's taking up a significant amount of space on your C drive. Check the box next to Previous Windows Installations. Then, click on Remove Files. Click Continue when prompted. The cleanup process will take a little time, so be patient. Once it's complete, let's check whether the Windows.old folder is still there. As you can see, the folder is now completely gone, and we freed up a good amount of space on the local disk, C. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more useful Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.